The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the show, continuing here in Pleasant View at Stutzman's, of course, with the one and only Jason French. Jason, thanks for having us in today.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're talking bulbs today. Tell me what that is and why this time of year is good for that.
Yeah, and these are your spring flowering bulbs.
Okay.
So they're going to come up early in the spring, but they're actually planted right now. And they plant, they root, they get established, but they need a certain amount of cold to be able to bloom in the spring to tell them to wake up. So we do them in the fall, but it's kind of a fun thing. You do it now and you kind of forget about it.
Yeah.
There's nothing above ground, and then all of a sudden real early here they come, and you know, kind of a neat, fun process.
Yeah, and with the weather we've been having, it's still nice. People are excited to get out and keep planting and stuff. And like you said, it'll be there and you'll forget about it and then you're excited later.
It is, and it's a lot of fun. Tulips are probably one of the easiest and earliest ones to do.
Yeah.
Some people like to do real intricate patterns. I think it's fun just to make a large hole and then use a mixture of them, because some bloom early and some bloom late.
Okay.
And so you kind of mix that up in that pot or in
Yeah.
the ground, and then you'll have a nice like spring bouquet blooming there for a while.
That's going to be so beautiful.
But I wanted to show you you can even see like on this tulip I
That is
cut in half.
cool.
Everything it needs to have that flower is already inside the bulb.
Wow.
The flower is this yellow part right here, and so they just need to grow the root and then have the temperature start warming up to tell it to wake up, and there they are.
Wow, that is so amazing. So you can put those in the ground or a pot?
Yeah, if you're doing a container, you'll want to do a large one so it
Okay.
doesn't freeze solid in the wintertime,
Oh,
but they
yeah.
do great for that. But in the ground, some of them, you know, daffodils are an extremely long-lived perennial, so they last a lot of years.
Yeah.
So that's a good addition to the landscape, too.
Yeah, so you talk about tulips, daffodils. What other options do you have here?
You know, there's hyacinths, which have a really great smell. I mean, you can smell them from quite a ways away in the spring when they're blooming, and so those
Yeah.
are nice. There's another allium, I like it. It's a member of the garlic family, but it's kind of the Dr. Seuss bulb. It gets a long, tall stem and then just this purple ball up on top of it, so they're pretty neat too. But yeah, a lot of different varieties that we could be planting right now.
Yeah, I love that, and I feel like it's easy enough for people to do.
It is. Just dig, drop, water them in, and you're good.
All right, good to go. Jason, how can people find more information about anything going on here at Pleasant View?
Yeah, absolutely. Best way, drop me an email, and my email is the word questions@stutzmans.com.
All right, Jason, thank you. It's always such a pleasure to be with you.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll have more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
As the days get shorter and the nights start to cool, it's still Stutzman season. Hi, this is Ben Miller. We're excited to see the fall season approaching and the chance to get the sweats out of the closet. Let us help you make the transition to the beauty of fall on your deck, patios, and porches with straw bales, miniature, funky, and traditional pumpkins. Stutzman's has awesome mums in assorted fall colors starting at $4.99. We love fall and invite you to the Stutzman's Garden Center nearest you. Find out more at stutzmans.com or on Facebook.
A Stutzman's greenhouse, everything's green.